How to add triggers for animation in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add triggers for animation in Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. And then you will be in that website dashboard. And then you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it and then you will be in the website editor. This is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the scroll trigger here. So whenever the customer scroll through this section, it will give the animation will appear. So let's try it. You can, just click it and then right click and then select a layer. You can choose the whole section and then you can open the inspector here, open inspector. Then you can go to animation here. And as you can see, there is scroll option. You can click it. Then you can just click add. And for some section, it only fade, but we'll try another, section and we'll see a lot of option in there. So for this one, we're gonna choose fade here. And then we can go back. So let's say we're gonna add the animation scroll trigger for animation in this image. So let's try to, select this image. It's welcome image, welcome section. And then you can click open inspector again, then go to animation and effects. As you can see, there is scroll option. You can click it and then click add. And there are a lot of option here, not only fat. So let's say maybe you want to make it, uh, pan maybe or 3D. It's up to you. So let's say 3D. So let's try it. You can click preview here to see the preview of your website. So let's try it, So this is the animation. So this is the 3D animation. So if you want to change it, you can just, click edit site here and then try to edit the animation again. And then in the 3D animation, you can remove it. Then you can add another animation, maybe zoom, and then you can go back and then click preview again. So let's try. We scroll down. So this is the zoom animation. So yeah, I think that's it. How to add scroll triggers for animation in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.